So this seminar represents a huge growth for myself.
It's definitely a true project-based learning course.
In a very time-efficient way.
I think it's totally taking us outside of the norm of what we have learned before.
I will save a lot of time.
A lot of new knowledge there.
It's fun, it's fast-paced.
For me personally, it represents growth. It represents a huge learning and a transformation.
In our workshop, we did an amazing job with the people who really want to learn. And my approach to present project writing technique is totally different than normally framework. So we are starting with just 2 sentences. What is the problem and what is the solution? And we are spending the whole day trying to develop what is the problem and solution for your workshop, for your project. And then out of it, we are using artificial intelligence to help us identify, find the research text, find the articles which support your idea, and out of it we are framing the base for your project. Then you start to create idea development template, meaning that you'll start develop this basic problem and solution in the specific part. Who is the target group? What is the motivation for that? So do we have any support evidence that your problem solution is working? And out of it to go into research part where you will do what is the work packages, what is your intention for doing it, what is goals, indicators, and create everything is related for the good application. So we are already spending 2 days with artificial intelligence before we even open application form. And then we will transfer existing text into the application form and try to develop using the artificial intelligence. And in the 4 days, we are able to create really good projects. So we are not starting with opening your application form, starting to write something, but we are starting with the idea which is really deeply developed from the beginning. And what is the use of artificial intelligence here? Instead of be focused on specific text and how to create a sentence, you start with your idea. You're focused on idea, how to incorporate, how to do it, additional value of it, how to empower the life of your target group. And artificial intelligence is writing text. So you're not focusing on the text, you're focusing on idea. And your role is then to say, okay, this part of the text is good, this is not good. You're creating quality assurance step with that. And with that approach, you're above project writing. You're doing something which is totally different, something which is meaningful, something which will really create the impact, and you don't focus on the specific text. So a lot of people is asking me how artificial intelligence can be used for project writing, or is somebody will say, okay, don't use artificial intelligence, so this is, copywriting problem. But I will tell you something. In the Erasmus project, we are doing impact. So if we will change the life of somebody at the end of this project, means we did our job. So how we will create the program, how we will do it, if we do with artificial intelligence, or my grandmother wrote it, is irrelevant. It's how we will change the life of the people.